Today I'm going to walk you through uploading a video from CapCut directly to YouTube. If you've just finished editing your clip in CapCut, I'll show you step by step how to get it on your channel for the world to see. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be confident in sharing high-quality videos on YouTube with all the right details filled in so people can easily discover and enjoy your work. Let's jump right in. First, we'll head over to youtube.com. You can do this on your computer or right from your mobile browser if you prefer. Once the page loads, look for your profile icon. It's usually found in the top right corner. Give that a click, and from the drop-down menu, select Your Channel. This is your home base on YouTube, where all your content lives and where you manage everything related to your presence on the platform. Now, inside your channel dashboard, you'll see several tabs and options. Find the one labeled Videos. This is where all the clips you've previously uploaded reside, and also where you'll add new ones. Click into Videos, and then look for the button or link titled Uploads. That's what we need next. Clicking Uploads will prompt you to select which files you want to add to your channel. Here's where your CapCut sample comes in. Hopefully, you've already exported your finished edit from CapCut and saved it somewhere you can easily find, maybe in your Downloads folder, on your desktop, or in your mobile gallery. Hit the Select Files button, browse for your CapCut video, and choose the right file. It might take a few moments for the upload to start, especially if your project is on the larger side, so don't worry if you see a bit of a spinning wheel here. While your video is uploading, YouTube will prompt you to type in a title and description for your video. This is more important than it might seem. The title is often the first thing people notice. Think of it as the headline in a newspaper. Make it catchy, but also accurate so viewers know exactly what they're about to watch. For the description, try to add a little context about your video. If you made something funny, inspiring, or educational, share a quick summary. It's also a good spot to add social links or credits if you collaborated with others. Next, YouTube will ask you to add a thumbnail. This little image acts almost like a movie poster for your video. You can use a frame from your video or design something eye-catching in CapCut or another app. Just make sure it's clear and gives viewers a reason to click on your content. Thumbnails have a big impact on how many people decide to watch, so it's worth spending an extra minute here. You'll also see an option asking, "Is this video made for kids?" The right choice is important, especially if your content is friendly for all ages. If your CapCut sample is appropriate for children, select Yes, this video is made for kids. This helps YouTube comply with policies and ensures your video is shown to the right audience. After that, you'll see a few more prompts. Just click Next as you continue through the process. YouTube may show you options for monetization or settings, but if you're just starting out, you can skip those for now. When you get to the visibility section, make sure to select Public. This will publish your video so anyone can watch it, rather than keeping it private or unlisted. Finally, hit Save. The big moment. Your video will process and soon it'll be available right on your channel. That's all there is to it. So there you go. Now you know exactly how to take your CapCut creation and upload it to YouTube. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing for more tutorials just like this. Drop any questions you have in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.